Hi, we're out here in Western Sydney taking a look at a brand new food manufacturing facility by Meyer Foods.
Founded in 1988, Meyer Foods pioneered traditional sous vide food manufacturing and currently employ over 100 people. Aerofloat were contracted to solve the wastewater treatment problem at the company's new site.
Let me show you how this client is doing their bit for the environment.
Like many meat processing facilities, Meyer Foods required a solution that could manage high levels of solids and grease. It also needed a system to manage hourly flows of around 10,000 litres per hour. Our engineering team recommended a wastewater treatment system using our patented Aerofloat 200. It's much loved by our clients because of its unique self-cleaning design. Mechanical scrapers are not required thanks to the patented hydraulic float removal system. This reduces maintenance time for our clients and provides a compact, mechanically simple solution.
This whole plant processes around 50,000 litres a day. It's capable of doing around 12,000 litres an hour through our Aerofloat 200, that's 200 litres per minute.
One of the design challenges at Meyer Foods was limited space and unusual layout. This is where our CAD design really came into play. Thanks to the 3D modelling, our team was able to create a custom design over a split level, meaning we could position equipment and utilise gravity to create a more energy efficient treatment plant by minimising the number of pumping systems required. It's a fully automated plant with a HMI giving the operators access to the system when off-site. This allows Aerofloat engineers to provide remote support when required.
Like Meyer Foods, Aerofloat is proudly Australian and dedicated to doing our bit for the environment. If you think we can help you with your wastewater treatment problems, give us a call, we'd love to hear from you.